My straw's a little, I gotta get on my tippy toes here to get the straw. Oh, yummers. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview. Welcome back to my kitchen. Hello. Okay, so you're wondering, what in the world is this? But before I talk about it, I'm so excited today because I'm collabing with one of my vegan friends. The name of her channel is Peas, Love, and Pineapples, which is super cute. She's so super cool and I love her. And she makes raw vegan meals, which you guys are probably wondering, raw? What's that? What it means is just fruits, veggies, just all natural. Nothing cooked, no preservatives, nothing. It's just all natural cooking. But find it so interesting how you can add raw vegan meals together and just make it tasty. There's no cooking involved, none whatsoever. It's just put everything together, all your seasonings together, and voila, your meal is served. So we decided to swap recipes today. So I decided to make tacos because I love her taco recipe that she made. So I said, I'm making that taco. So that's what I have here. And also, she is an amazing bartender. She used to bartend at all these high-end restaurants, so she knows all these fancy schmancy drinks. This is one of her drinks here that she made. It's a berry sage mojito. That's what that is, with a little bit of rum action in there. And I also made non-alcoholic for the kiddos. I'm not even gonna show you guys how to make this because I want you guys to check out her video, which I'll be playing it right here. And also, I'll put the link in the description down below so you guys can check it out and make it yourselves. I haven't tried it yet. I'm super excited. So let's dive into this. The filling is cashews, peanuts. It's a mixture of nuts, and that's the filling. And you just season it like you would regular season like your taco meat. Also, she added some sun-dried tomato, which I put that in here as well. Some pico de gallo with onions, cilantro, and then these topped it off with some salsa and some golden kiwis, which I never had before. So this is a first for me, over a bed of buttered lettuce, which is my favorite lettuce of all time. I'm not a lettuce fan, but butter lettuce is the one for me. Let me get up close and personal for you guys. Check it out. See the little lettuce there? And look at that meat. Well, the filling. How delicious does that look, you guys? So let's take a bite. First bite. Wow. I'm just shocked. Super shocked right now. I gotta take another bite. Oh, the sweetness. The crunchiness. You definitely know it's nuts. Obviously, you're not gonna taste meat or you're not gonna taste the soy crumbles. But this, and it's not warm, yeah, it's not a hot meal. But you know what? This is so refreshing. I would definitely make this like a little appetizer thingy for like when people come over in the summertime. Like serve them in these little lettuce thingies because they're so tiny, how small they are. Just leave them like that on a bed of little ice and people can just grab them and go, just like this. And we're done. The sweetness, you guys know, the sweet and spice factor for me is real. I'm obsessed with it. And it's there. You get the crunch, you get the sweet, salty. It's just amazing. This is so delicious. Okay, so now let's try the little cocktail. I had to do the old little, I don't know why I did this, but let's try the little cocktail with the sage. On my tip, I gotta get on my tippy toes here to get the straw. Oh, yummers. Up and close and personal time. Check it out, you guys. So we have the berries in there, the pineapple, and the sage. Berries, rum, and the simple syrup, which is literally simple syrup. No, but literally simple. You know what I mean. So refreshing. Oh, I love that sage. I didn't think I was gonna like the sage, guys. Honestly, did not think I was gonna like it, but I do. It's so and it's not overpowering. It just adds that punch of like freshness. I don't know, because I love herbs. I grow cilantro in my garden, rosemary, lemon, rosemary, thyme. I even have a sweet and spicy oregano that I'm growing. Go figure. Yeah, I found them. This whole meal right here was so easy to make. No cooking involved. Simple, easy. Throw it together. It's a delicious little appetizer, a delicious lunch, refreshing. It's so good. I never thought vegan raw meal can taste this delicious and filling, flavorful, not boring, not blah. I just can't say it enough, you guys. Have an open mind. Try it. It's delicious, and I wouldn't steer you wrong. She did an amazing job here, and I'm so honored to get to try this and collab with her, because I've always wanted to try raw vegan food. Just curious on how the cooking is with it and how it tastes. It's just so, you know, new to me, and I just wanted to check it out and review it, and this is amazing, and it's delicious. This drink, cheers, with the little rum in there, it's just right. This is a good juice too without the alcohol. You don't have to add the alcohol in here. This is refreshing. So I'll put the link of her video down below on how she made these. Check her out, show her some love, and you guys, if you do make this, take a picture of it, tag me and tag her on Instagram. Peas, love, and pineapples. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this cocktail. Mental note, next time get a shorter straw. I'm gonna finish these tacos myself because I am not sharing, even though I have some in the fridge for the kids. You know. You guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a like. And don't forget to share with everyone and anyone that would like to see this wonderful collab that I did with peas, love, and pineapples. So, love you guys, and don't forget to live life on the veg.